Greetings from Burgas, Bulgaria. Standing here today, I'm reminded that Europe is much more than institutions and policies. Europe is about people, opportunities, and progress in every region and every community. Thanks to European funding and cooperation, Burgas continues to transform ideas into reality, creating better infrastructure, supporting economic growth, improving connectivity and enhancing quality of life for citizens. When regions grow stronger, Europe grows stronger, and every successful local project is another step towards a more united, prosperous and resilient European Union. This summer, I invite you to discover a city where the sea meets history, where nature inspires, and where hospitality makes every visitor feel at home. Discover Burgas, a place where nature, culture, and European spirit come together. We welcome you to experience the beauty of the Bulgarian Black Sea coast.